Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to do an unboxing of my next kit, which I'm super excited for because this is going to be my second kit for my DP for Pets event. So I finished my Bubblegum Spaniel. If you haven't seen that, I will stick a link up there. And so I wanted to do something else, and I bought this one recently. So it's one of the newer kits. And it's got a couple of surprises, or at least it had a couple of surprises for me. And it is the Hedgehog. So this is by the same artist that did the Bubblegum Spaniel that I did. But the Bubblegum Spaniel was round and this one is square. So I'm kind of curious to get into this one and see how it's going to be different. Now, I had my eyes on this one for quite a while and just hadn't purchased it. Mainly because I was trying to stay on budget. We all know how well that worked out for me. But then Diamond Art Club was having their warehouse sale, which meant this kit was basically 15 bucks. And at that price for Diamond Art Club, even though it's a partial, I was like, oh, it's so cute. I have to have it. So let me see if I can get into it here without ripping up the box. It does not want to cooperate with me. So let me... There we go. Okay, so we get the kit, or the canvas, I mean, my sticker, my toolkit. That's all that's in the box. Now, before I throw the box away, does this one say how many diamonds are on it? Let's see. This one actually doesn't. At least, unless I'm missing it. I don't see it anywhere where it says how many diamonds are on it. Do they only count that when it's full kits? Interesting. So again, this is one of the newer kits. Well, I say that, I don't even know. It must be one of the newer ones because it comes in the recyclable package, but how new it actually is, I don't know. Newer than the ones that I've gotten. So let's see what we get in here. Goodness. Okay, so again, I love that this is recyclable. I wish everything, if they could figure out a way for the plastic that the drills come in to be recyclable as well, for them to come in something or some other way. I don't know. Anyway, so there is the kit. So we get a tray, one of these nice plastic trays with a stopper so that you can put a stopper in it so your drills don't spill out. I think I put that in backwards. So like that, I think. We get baggies, which I don't really ever use. So I guess this is a color coordination thing now. My SpongeBob one, I think, was green. So I get a green pen and a green squishy. This one is yellow and yellow. So that's nice. A cute cover minder. It's just kind of an abstract one. That's really cute. Oh, I meant to ask you guys, when I make my cover minders, I don't use these super thin magnets because I feel like they're not strong enough. Like I want mine to be really strong. So mine are a bit thicker. So do you prefer the ones that are really thin for your cover minders so that they lay flatter on, like I can understand wanting them so thinner so that they lay flatter when you have them, working with them on your canvas, but yeah, curious. Okay. And then we get two or three, I think it's 2 cakes of their heart-shaped wax in a heart-shaped container. The pin I already mentioned. You get some branded, super pokey tweezers with this one. And then for your pin, you also get a 4-placer and a 7-placer. And finally, we get some super cute blue floral washi tape. So yeah, that's super cute. It's got some pink down here on the bottom. Oh, I think is it cut? Okay, that's super weird. Where's the end of it? Huh. Is there supposed to be? Oh, it comes apart. You guys, I don't use washi tape, obviously. So You can have a skinny one if you want, or you can have the fat one. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen washi tape like that before. But I'm not a big washi tape user. I use it to tape the edges of my canvas, and that's pretty much it. I don't use it to section off my canvas. I just don't like doing it that way. Okay, so essentially 2 rolls of washi tape. That's nice. Okay, so that's the toolkit. Here is my sticker to go in my logbook. No instructions this time. That's interesting. They're not stuck in the bottom of the box either. Did they stop including the instructions? I mean, I'm okay if they did, but if you've never diamond painted before, maybe you want that. This box is leaving schmutz everywhere. Okay, so let me unroll this canvas. Now, this canvas is only 41 by 41, so it's pretty small. I mean, not as small as my 30 by 30s, obviously, but pretty small for what I usually get from Diamond Art Club. Oh, I spoke too soon. There's the instructions. Okay, so here are the instructions, which I never use. Here's our stickers, pre-cut stickers for our container, and then the bigger sticker for a logbook if you want it. So there's that. And our drills, of course. And let's look at our canvas. Oh, you guys, he takes up so much more room than I thought, just looking at the photo. So hopefully you can see all of that. It gets cut off a little bit here at the bottom. So again, it's 41 by 41, it says. So let's measure. Now, again, this is canvas size, not drill field size, because it is a partial, obviously. So it's like a millimeter under 41. And this way it is about 40 and a half, like 1 millimeter over 40 and a half. So is it 16 by 16 though? It is 16 by, it's actually a little over 16, like 16 and a 16th. So conversions are so much fun. I remember when I was a kid and they told us we were all going to be metric, and here we are a number of years later, and we're still not there. So anyway, I'm going to have to learn metric and Celsius for moving to Canada. So I'm trying to, diamond painting's made me learn. So it is nice and sticky. The canvas is nice and clear, just like all Diamond Art Clubs. Now we have 3 ABs, so that's exciting. And yeah, 42 colors. That's actually quite a lot. So let's see. Let's get into our drills and see. Yeah, really clear field. I just love the colors of this. I love hedgehogs anyway. And then the purple and the pink, just so cute. I actually like most of the art that this person does. I don't know why I avoided it. I really enjoyed doing the Bubblegum Spaniel, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. So I don't know why I was avoiding buying them. I think because they were, well, when I first saw them, I thought you had to diamond paint everything. I didn't realize they were partials. So now that I know they're not. Okay, so diamonds, Diamond Art Club, so resin drills. Let's see what we've got. So we've got this kind of tan color, some very dark brown, a light gray, kind of a lilac-y purple color, like a purplish mauve, a purple, a very pale tan. Are these the same colors? No, 436 and 435. So a couple more shades of brown, which I'm sure are for the hedgehog. And then we have, let's see, what are these? 992 and 993. So we've got 2 different shades of teal, a light teal and a darker teal, which I'm going to assume is the teacup there. And then this one, we've got some very pale green, a light tan. Is that black? Guys, that's all the black in here. And I'm curious to see, I don't know if this is new enough to be the new drills, but I'm curious to see how the quality of the blacks. They look pretty good. Some sparkly lavender, loving those. Some kind of mustardy brown, yellow, a purple, like a chocolate brown, a tan, a light brown, and another dark brown. And then these have some of the fun colors in them. So that's that berry pink that I love so much. Love that color. A very dark kind of sea green. There's another AB, a yellow AB, some bubblegum pink, some dark gray, kind of a, I don't know, sagey brown, a very pale gray. That is like a very pale turquoise, extremely pale kind of green blue, some peach. I'm assuming that's probably going to be like his little feet or something. A little bit darker peach, a dark gray, candy pink. What is that? Like a dark teal green. There's that mulberry color. Two more shades of pink, a darker pink and a lighter pink. Another light gray, our white ABs, and then a purple. Guys, these colors are super cute, and there's a lot more of them than I thought there would be, so I'm surprised because, yeah, I just wasn't expecting that many colors. Kind of crazy. Okay, so let me just pile these all back up so we can look at his cute little face again. So there's all the colors. Now I'm probably going to, it's already got 3 ABs, but I think I'm going to go back through and see if I have any of these colors in an AB as well. I don't know if I do, but I'm at least going to look and see. I don't have very many square ABs, so yeah, I'll have to think about it. So where are the ABs that are in here? So we've got 3. So right here, the little white and some of the highlights on the spoon are where the white ABs go, and then the yellow ABs are right here in the center of the flowers, and then the purple ABs, which are where? I don't see any in the purple. There's some, oh, right here among the flowers is where the other ones are. So if I can find them, if I have any, or if I decide I want to order some, I might look for some to kind of put down here in the cookies, as well as maybe some to put up here in his fur here and there. I don't know. We'll see. I just like adding stuff in to see how it's going to turn out because I think it's fun. So I may add some ABs to add into this one. But yeah, so this is my kit for my second kit for DP for Pets. I hope you guys are still working on yours. Keep the pictures coming. I love looking at them. Hopefully I will get this one finished before the end of the event. My goal is to finish this one and maybe do another one, but we'll see. That may be a little bit too ambitious. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.